What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Face with another video. And I have a nice couple today. Kamba lo Luyanda, lo Bongi. We chilling and they are chilling at the park and it's so nice. Yabo. So like bebe ngisakhuluma lana guys ukuthi so ngiqala mana ngiqale ku-Buddhas ngapha because I think ukuthi man yami ezathathe like the initiative yabo. Okay. So Buddhas wami wena into eyenza uthande uLuyanda lapha yikuyini?
Firstly,
yini into eyenza wamthanda?
she was quiet, no?
Ungamkhangela la khona because the TV blush ukuthi umchaza kakhulu.
Yeah, she's quiet, ne? Humble, decent, you know. And for me that's a green flag, you know, a big green flag. So damn! She's cute also. So yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. These days ones umuntu humble, laba quiet. Hey. And it's a very very hard. Yeah, kunzima these days. Hey, my sister. Ona yini into eyenza wathanda uBuddhas ngapha uLuyanda?
Yeah. Ngathini?
Akungasona khuluma khona okuphaka okusenhliziyo yabona lokho okula yikho esikufunayo khona okungakulalisiyo khona ukuthi mawucabanga ngayo sihlekelele wena.
Indlela nje aziphatha ngayo yabo and la ngendlela yenza ngayo and uleke yeah
vele ke
uthando and
but vele ngiyabona ukuthi ngendlela vela yiyo ngani yabo ngani vele uyinsizwa siyabona ukuthi yabo la vele mawumbona uclean ngumuntu right. Hayi lapha mina I'm very good with the judging people from appearances and I could tell ukuthi uBuddhas lapha umuntu oyiswi. Yabo so Buddhas uzwile ukuthi utheni ukuthi uthe wena unjani. It's not about me ukuthi ngizwani, it's about abantu la ukuthi unjani ukuthi uze yabo. So aba sesiqalisela kuwe futhi yabo. So umthando kunganani uBuddhas njengoba ngendlela ukuthi ukhulumile ukuthi uziphethe kahle ngumuntu o right. So ngathi umthando kunganani?
ukuthi ngimthanda
ungakucabanga uBuddhas uzeza ukuthi
ungacabanga yabo. Ukuthi nje indlela engakubeka ngayo yabo.
Sorry, right.
Yena ngiyamthanda ngithi.
Alright. Bese ade kumeze ngibuza ukuthi the main question meze ngiyibuza ukuthi vele how long have you guys been dating? I think how long ezizami ngiyaphapha kakhulu. Ezilami ngiyaphapha kakhulu like how lahlangana ngapi? How long have you guys been dating?
We dated in high school.
So lesikhathi esingana?
Then distance, you know, so we separated. That was in Form 1. Then I saw her last year.
Alright. We sengathi amayezi ingaki yezi
since we were together. Because there was a distance when she went to a different school for like 3 years or so.
Alright.
Then when I saw her again, we got back. So it's been 1 year, 5 months.
1 year. Yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah.
It's a very very long.
Yeah, shout out to you guys.
Hey, shout out to you. So vele wathi umbona wahle wancibilika. Wahle wancibilika. Ekhaya la ezilokho bekhuluma para bakhangelana. That's the sad part, guys.
No.
That's the sad part. But I can see
I'm sensing a lot of chemistry.
Yababona ukuthi
And besides, when you're disturbing the chemistry.
Ubona ukuthi ngani vele khangela lama Crocs. Lesejeli. Thina manje phela sisingle guys, I'm single ezimambona abantu abanjengana. Lami ngiyabe sensiba ngithi jealous. Ngiyabe sensiba lokuyilokho yana uthi ezilami ngifuna ukujola nje. But amankazana la andidlala pha, mina bandidlala. Mina bandidlala. Okay. Anyways, back to it bafethu. It's not about me, it's about you guys. Yabo, it's about you guys. So lapha sesifika ngani kuma anti kule normal, intermediate, then the hard question. Lapha sesiku intermediate. So wena Buddhas yini into ubongi ayenzayo onjani yini ubonga into ayenza ofisa ngani engayichiya like ngeke ngithi uyakubhoka but into yangikhona uyithanda but awukwanisi ukuthi wena unjani uyikhuluma yini into ongafisa ukumtshela yona obviously kube kukhona kwizinto khokhana obviously sometimes ungafuna ukukhumba because umuntu wakho uyamthanda lapha nje is justice asithi ukuthi uzazonda anila mase sozozonda uzaba reasonable la
I don't know, it's a tricky one in a sense.
uyasaba ukumtshela
No, not really. It's a tricky one because, of course, you know, when you're new to someone, there are such hurdles, but when you communicate, you don't have such problems.
So yiko phela ukucommunicate kwakhona kumbeni uyenza kahle
We've communicated before, you know, our issues, so now there's nothing I can raise, like.
So yena verify ukuthi useyenza kahle kathesi.
No one is perfect. I can't say she's perfect, but her behavior, let's just say her behavior.
Her behavior, yeah. So zawufaka wena ubongi yini uliyanda into ayenzayo ofisa ngathi engayekela ukuyenza. Ukumbe into ekucaphula akula la uyenza kahle. Hey abantu ba behave akapha. Hey. First relationship yabantu aba behave.
You say like you guys have been in a relationship for like 1 year, 5 months, and that's a really long time.
But it's kete city. Hey, shout out. Just the communication yabo.
Like that's an achievement actually. You know, on a personal basis.
Ya kufike.
At least my face is not appearing. I don't think I've ever reached bonus. Like in a proper relationship. No. And I've never gone to a party like with a girl.
No, that lami ngiyafisa njani. It's my dream, okay.
But then
so
also, I just want to know, Mina, personally, like, as a viewer, like, what would you say is one thing that keeps the fire burning?
It's right. Yini right into eliyenza ukuthi lihlalele ku Sanhlanhla zantile kwazi first relationship phela yabungalali. Yabungalali ufuna ukuhlala umepha, ufuna ukuqala umfonele njenge first 2 weeks it feels like heaven on earth.
Yeah.
Yabuhlala ucabanga ngayo so right yini right into eliyenza ukuthi lihlalele njani. Yabo kulo kuyispark lokho because phela ungayekela ukukhwezela umlilo yapho uyaphela. Umlilo yafa. Amathiso zethi lathi phela singakwazi yani. That's yabo.
I think that's a tricky one. Because most of the things I do, it's, I don't know. I don't think about it. For me, it's just mandatory. So
it's mandatory to uhlala ukhuluma la.
I need to talk to her, do things for her, show that I care.
So my sister yakufonela.
Obvious.
Ngiyakuchaza. Alright ngelanga ukufonela kangaki? Hayi lapha sesingena endaweni nzima. Khuluma la angazi ungakhulumi ncanca ngalumbe imibuzo ethi ngani ukhuluma manga nje kusithe cha umfonela ka10 ngeday. Yabo kozothi ukukhanya ukuthi la yabo. But anyakwazi uyafona.
Yeah, uyafona. Maybe twice a day.
That's a very good. Hey thina bayasifona indoda. Thina baye besingafoni. Now besingafoni apha shout out to you my brother and I can say that you have a very good thing going yabo. It's these days it's very hard to thola abantu abanje. It's very hard. Alright so yini alright uputha lapha into angathanda ukuthi I improve alright into afuna kwenzele yona. Nani yakwazi you girls you have a lot of things level izifuna but level isawa phela amankazana they are so shy alright yini alright into oyifuna but osaba ukuyicela. Angeke ngithi gift but into member afuna akwenzele yona engabe uyayenza yabo angithi uthi ngakho akafike endaweni nani but maybe into nje just something that you would want nani yakwazi zonke umuntu ule dream guy yakhe yabo le ndlela uthi ngifuna i-boyfriend yami ibisenza so yabo but uphuza la uyabe lokwakhe yabo thothi sometimes uyabe ngakwanisi ukuthi ifike but wena with uncedo lwakho ungamtshela into ezimchaza into ezingakuchaza kakhulu so yikwini
ayakula
so right nje
yeah
umthandeni hayi shout out to you my brother
Perfect.
vele nje sifele sibachadise kawala sifele so wena putha lapha into right ongafisa ukuthi I improve in terms of your relationship yabo or yini right into maybe ngafisa ukuthi akwenzele yona yabo
Improvement.
Uthi maybe kungabe lapha nga-improve khona. Maybe sometimes it's communication, sometimes into ezinjani. Yabo?
Well, remember what I said before, ne? Whatever issues we've had, we communicated it, and she's like, okay, I'm like this, you are like this. So it's more of you make peace with that person. You're no longer looking for the fun things anymore. You get used to each other. So.
And I see the epic. Uyakufunza ubhutani. Uyakufunza. He's fitting you and he's a really good guy. My brother, you're very good. Uhlala ngathi ke? Ngibona ngihlala kubo Luveve kwabalanda.
Nah, Couch, bro.
Couch. Uma uhlala nga?
Couch, same.
It's country fellas ziyatsansa ngale. It's a country there. It's another country. So vele hlala kasi tuzani amakasi atuzani.
Yeah, kind of.
Hayi, lisuke country be town. Nah, that's very nice. So ngala kula peace nga. Phela abantu bagwenqa ngale. Abantu bagwenqa. All right.
Personal, sorry to disturb you, but then but how do you value compromise in a relationship? Because you understand it's like a relationship, sometimes there are certain things that you compromise for the sake of good relationship to work out. So how would you say like you value compromise? Like compromising, would you say there are certain things that you've compromised good relationship there?
Yeah.
And how is that working?
For me, I don't have a problem. It depends on what it is. There's some things of which if I know if I do this part.
So where were we? Okay, we are on the last task.
Oh my God! Wow!
I call this task because it's that we get into. A task, you get into a task. So, Yamtembu, my sister.
Yeah, obviously we've been together for a long time.
Yeah, very Yamtembu. My sister Yamtembu put us.
Yeah.
Ndaba anisu hesitate kuphendula umthembi nxa umthembi yakhuluma
Hayi ngiyamthemba.
Umthemba kunganani?
Yeah, ukuthemba umthemba kupheleleyo sibili ukuthi hayi angikaze angidisappoint.
On a scale of 1 to 10 ngathi umthemba kunganani? Umrethe.
Maybe 10 out of 10. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Wow. But just uma sithi umthemba unganani?
I guess I'd give the same. Yeah.
Hey, alaba jeki, they are unbreakable and they are unstoppable. They are resilient. And they remain unshaken. So we had too much fun, you guys. Hey, I had one last question. So mfuna sidlala igame la. Igame lethiwa we listen but we don't judge.
Okay.
And we listen, we don't judge. Asikhulumeni impela zothi uchaza. We listen, we don't judge. Khuluma phela my sister. Kumbona ufuna ukujudge. Uyayazi. Uyayazi ngoba ufuna sichinje. Uyayazi.
Yeah.
Uyayazi. Alright. So uyayazi wena uputha singani ngayazi. So lapha we listen, you don't judge. We tell each other maybe some crazy situations. Umuntu esake sazenza but ikhona izinto ezinormal. Those extraordinary stuff.
Nah. I'm that part.
Oh, kumpela izinto eziserious. Awubulala umuntu.
No, but
simasita awubulala umuntu.
Nah.
Wenzani? Hayi, lapha we listen. Yikho phela yikho thwa we listen, we don't judge.
You know what? We listen, we don't judge. But later on,
akula muntu okujudge. Hayi lapha vele besikho unxa ekhona nxa uthi uzasola uyamfonela ngimkhuze my sister ungayenzi njalo.
Nah, you know what? That part it's hey, it's shy, bro. Nah.
Awuvumi?
Nah, no.
Alright, so now it's fine. Alright. Okay, let's try exchanging phones for 60 seconds. Umuntu wakho umthanda kunganani?
Oh, my phone is off. It doesn't have a phone.
I don't phone my sister.
For real, she doesn't have a phone. I'm telling you, she doesn't have.
Why yakhichishile?
For real, my phone is off, bro.
Ala power bank.
My phone is off.
Ala power bank.
My phone is off. Because even if she were to go through my phone.
Akulanta ngayithola. Are you positive about that?
Yeah, ngoba
So which means by we listen, we don't judge. I think we have to go back to we listen, we don't judge. Akola ngenye. So mbana ufuqala. Mana ngithi my sister because ngiyayazi. Ngamtshela phethe story. Then lapha sesenze ukuthi senze sambe yabo. Mbona sesleep or
ngitshela ukuthini?
We listen, you don't judge. Something that you did. Yo, ngibona ama deepest secrets. Enqa wabulala umuntu, my brother. You're going with a criminal. Yeah. Put us langani uma ulezinye eziningi ngapha ezinzima. Yeah. Wena ufuna ukuzithona ufuna ukuthini? Uyafuna. Kanye uyafuna. Wena my brother ufuna ukuzithena uthini?
No, because you talk about, I tell her everything. So those things that we listen, you don't judge. Yeah. She typically knows.
How do you remain resilient?
No, you mean like
it's part of the research how because challenges. We are talking about these challenges. We listen, we don't judge. It's also a challenge. It's something that ends the get over here.
I don't know.
It's something that that can take your relationship, but you guys chose to stay irregardless of izinto zona lezi. Ngeke ngithi maybe you did something wrong and stuff like that, but Antonio uyamtshela, which means ukuthi we want to know ukuthi na ufile njani and how ukuthi omunye it can help omunye umuntu to go past a situation enjalo. Laba abantu bangikhona ikhapha yangikhona ngazithola ku situation enjalo, yabo.
Yeah, but
yabona my sister you'll be helping a lot, and i-11 is guys is inspiring abantu abaningi. She inspires C2. These are inspired, I think hundreds more.
But the logic behind it is, if you address issues,
it's issues. Just one. I need to see issue. Just something maybe that happened. Maybe I want to teach that thing ngathi ngidlula lapha kulomnye umdala wanjaya kuphela. Stuff like that.
We've been through the most, so bro, there's nothing.
Akula nto eyenzakala kuwe, abazake bakubamba inkunzi, abazake bakwenza something. Akula nkazi ngeke yakukhombisa, akula nto enjalo. Izinto zenzakala, awuzange waphosa wakhisa inkazana, awuzange wakhisa omunye inkazana besides yena. Akula ex yakhe yakwenzela izitayila. It's not about into ezenzakala lina lisajola, but it's even before that. It's not about sometimes dating, it's not about other girls. It's just about those kind of things.
Bro.
You can just tell me then you go and get up.
Honestly, it's, I don't know.
My sister when ufuna ukungitshela sesihamba. Anje ngiyakwazi ufuna ukudla.
Hayi mina.
You don't want to tell us stories zakho?
Hayi.
Rathakula member wakukhombisa yena maybe umngane wakhe. Obviously I know akala bangani. Yakwazi umtshothe umngane wakho angikhombisa that day. Angakebe kukenzakala lapha. But lo wena wamnyala because I know ukuthi into ekhona.
Hayi.
Akula umuntu ekasi lakho owakukhombisa.
Hayi.
Right kwini right okunye kwenzakala.
Okay.
Waphosa wamnyala yena. Azawufika point la sifuna ukumnyala.
No.
Ndamangani lamanga.
Serious.
Athi khuluma phela we listen, don't just then we go.
Hayi.
Yeah?
Hayi.
Akula. So akula nto wrong like akula ama challenges right sesifuna uza ama challenges la like just one challenge then you go.
Challenge.
That try to take your relationship.
Yeah. Okay, the logic is, when you meet someone, first 6-7 months, there's a vibe, but then going into the year, you're now knowing each other. Sometimes you can lose each other, but if you communicate, as I said before, if you communicate.
So in relationship, I don't have problems, not even once.
We've had them and we communicated on them. So.
Okay, just one, alright, just one.
Sharing them now.
For the video, guys, you had such a wonderful story. I don't want you to start a seat. So see, video then
yeah, but simple advice to anyone is communicate.
Yeah, okay. Maybe what I just advice, alright. When like we have something valuable. Yeah,
advice on what?
Advice on relationships, especially our main sizes as these days.
It's firstly, no, know your girl and know who you're investing into. Because sometimes, you know, you can put your own to your hand, then she trips you over, you know. So know how you invest and be mindful and communicate, I guess.
So my sister, sorry Zobele, my sister phone akala for isikhathi esinganani. Kumbe vele wayengena siziqala ukujola.
I died. I think it's been 2 weeks now.
Oh. Advice for relationship, other people. Ngaba advice within your fellow girls and stuff. This one is for the girls.
Like ungathanda ukukhuluma into ezingekho necessary sometimes. Yabo.
Okay, avele ngiyabona ngana ukukhuluma. Ngani vele uzithulela. But anyways, thanks guys for the video.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time. Hey my brother, you have a nice thing going here.
Yeah, definitely.
And I'm sure your story will spark other people.
Yeah.
So thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Alright, cool.
This we go. Bless you. And I hope you're late. So next time ngalibona you guys, I hope uthi nisazolibona futhi yabo. The intake just mana phela ngithatha into ngizifake la.
So what's your channel?
It's phase. PHA. It's phase. We have another cup. Hey, thank you guys. Let me go and hlukumeza them. Thank you guys. Hey, like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me go for another video.